हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं वंदन, ये है दरमेन। आफ्टर अ वाइल वी आर बैक एट इट। और आज का टॉपिक है इंट्रोवर्ट। आई वुडंट से वर्सेस, बट या इंट्रोवर्ट एंड एक्सट्रोवर्ट। और मेरा ओपिनियन इसमें ये है कि सोसाइटी हैज़ बीन biased in favor of extroverts. We normalize it, but yeah, if somebody is quiet in a room, we are not very comfortable with it, and we would call them socially awkward. I think that's a bit harsh, and I want to discuss it in more depth. I mean, we are not gonna get answer who is good and who is bad, or who is happier and who is unhappier. But yeah, I just want to discuss different personalities, and I don't even think it's that black and white. It's hard to say
Yeah,
someone is extrovert looking at
yeah.
them for 2 minutes, or introvert for that matter. So yeah, it's yeah,
मतलब वो सिचुएशन के हिसाब से वो स्पेक्ट्रम में पीपल मूव राइट.
yeah, and
एब्सोल्यूट नहीं है कि आप इधर ये हो उसमें भी रेंजेस है. उसमें भी आप सिचुएशन के हिसाब से मतलब आप कोई चीज़ में कॉन्फिडेंट हो, लेट्स से इट्स अ स्पोर्ट एंड यू आर
right.
वेरी गुड एट इट. Yeah, that introvert person might be the one that is a bit more confident to talk as opposed to maybe an extrovert who is not as good at something and they are kind of the newbie, right? तो वो रिजर्व रहेंगे उस हिसाब से.
और ये आई थिंक एज के साथ भी इवॉल्व होता हुआ मैंने अपने केस में तो देखा है.
हाँ.
बिफोर आई डिडंट यूज टू think before saying anything. Right now I process my thoughts a lot more. I'm not saying it's a right way or wrong way, but sometimes you grow up and you just talk less.
तो मतलब आपने ओपनिंग किया, आपने बताया कि लाइक यू थिंक द वर्ल्ड इज रन बाय
Bias.
एक्सट्रोवर्ट्स विद देयर रूल्स, लेट्स से.
I wouldn't say run by, but social circles में या social norm is
हाँ.
कि these are the normal people, these are the people who are the life of the party, and that's normal. That's how a human should behave.
ओके, तो मतलब आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
तो मेरा प्रॉब्लम पहला तो एक ये है कि लाइक अगर कोई कम बोलता है और अगर कोई शांति से सब सुन रहा है, तो इट्स मोर लाइकली समबडी वुड गो एंड आस्क आप इतने चुप क्यों.
हाँ.
बट कोई बंदा अगर 1-1.5 घंटे से हा हा ही इज बीइंग लाउड, नॉट अलाउिंग एनीवन टू टॉक, नोबडी वुड गेट अप एंड से आप बहुत बोल रहे हैं, जरा चुप हो जाइए 2 मिनट.
हाँ.
वो कर पाता है कोई?
You just walk away from them as opposed to
या बट लाइक
confronting them,
नोबडी
right?
से लाइक तुम चुप हो जाओ थोड़ी देर. कभी इंट्रोवर्ट खड़ा होके ये नहीं बोलेगा तेरी बकवास सुन के मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया, तो चुप हो जा.
लेकिन फिर वो इंट्रोवर्ट नहीं रहेगा अगर वो बोलेगा ना
एग्जैक्टली.
तो.
हाँ, तो बस वही है कि व्हाई डू वी फील हाँ कि कोई इंट्रोवर्ट है तो मे बी ही इज मिसिंग समथिंग इन लाइफ, ही इज लैकिंग समथिंग इन लाइफ. ऐसा क्यों है? और वो इंट्रोवर्ट पर्सन ऐसे भी तो हो सकता है ना कि ही वैल्यूज what he says and he would not say anything that comes to his mind to anyone.
हाँ, वो
हो
बराबर है.
सकता है कि उसको आप इतने वर्थ लग ही नहीं रहे हो कि वो आपको बताए कुछ. तो वो भी तो इंट्रोस्पेक्शन जरूरी है ना, कि क्योंकि इंट्रोवर्ट पर्सन मैंने बहुत बार देखा है कि दे वुड नॉट टॉक टू एवरीवन, बट once they have that trust and once they are comfortable sharing their thoughts, they would, to that one or two person, they would say or share everything. ऐसा बहुत बार होता है.
हाँ,
So,
लेकिन
yeah.
लेकिन वो देखिए, that's so I think I would argue, right? So I'll frame myself, and I think I'm someone that in general is maybe somewhere in between. I'm not the guy that's like the life of the party at any point.
You
or
are.
anything
What do
like
you
that.
mean?
Not all the time. I think maybe that's what I'm saying. I think you and I are different in that you're more of
Yeah.
a towards the introvert spectrum and I'm more of the extrovert spectrum, right? More of, but not
हाँ
entirely.
वही एग्जैक्टली.
लेकिन I mean I know people that are way more extroverted than even
yeah.
I am. So I look at them and being like, okay, ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा है मेरे
ज्यादा
लिए,
हो रहा है,
right?
चुप हो जाओ थोड़ी
लेकिन
देर,
I think
please.
तो मैं इस हिसाब से बताऊंगा. You said that okay,
हाँ.
every introvert takes time and then they eventually will open up to you. तो वो एक्सट्रोवर्ट का कैसे फॉल्ट हो गया? मतलब आपको ट्रस्ट इश्यूज
fault-
है, आपको कंफर्ट, कोई चीज में कंफर्ट आने में टाइम लगता है, तो व्हाई इज इट माय प्रॉब्लम इफ आई एम सेटिंग द बेंचमार्क दैट हे आई ट्रस्ट एवरीबॉडी एंड आई वांट टू गो टॉक टू समवन?
नहीं, फॉल्ट वो नहीं है. मैं वो बोल रहा हूँ कि व्हाई ओनस इज अपॉन देम टू बी लाइक एक्सट्रोवर्ट्स.
Because I think we are social creatures. I honestly think that the world would not be a better place if introverts ran the place. Just think about it. You would not get to know half the people that you know today, because how many times has it been that one extrovert friend of yours is the reason why you met 10 other people? I know. So I mean, I give credit to all my extroverted friends. They are the reason why I know 5 different families today.
I would argue that all the introverts I have seen, the quality of they talk about, the words coming out of their mouth, they are more valuable.
वो तो वही
They
है
are
ना.
more smart. So we need both. Let's just exactly.
what I'm
But you
saying.
said like, oh, it's run by extroverts.
It
and
is. Somebody has to
it's-
take the lead.
Well-
Being an extrovert is about taking the lead in social circles. They are the icebreakers. They are the people that will get that introvert friend into the party, and that's the only way that introvert friend is going to meet 10 new people in their life. Otherwise, you'd be sitting in your room reading a book, right?
I
Watching
agree.
television with your deep thoughts.
दोनों जरूरी है, but why can't we normalize both?
तो क्या करूं मैं? मतलब पार्टी में आपने किसी इंट्रोवर्ट ने पार्टी रखी
नहीं
है?
तो स्टॉप सेइंग दैट कि यार, कि ये तो मैंने बहुत देखा है भाई, अगर पार्टी खत्म हो जाएगी और किसी 2-4 बंदों की बात होगी तो कोई 1-2 बंदा जो चुप रहेगा, यार उसको क्यों बुलाते हैं, वैसे ही चुप रहता है, बैठा रहता है, क्यों ऐसा है वो, छोड़ यार.
यस, दैट आई
Why?
दैट आई एग्री. लेकिन वो इंट्रोवर्ट बंदे के को सपोर्ट भी वो एक्सट्रोवर्ट फ्रेंड ही करेगा. वो दूसरा इंट्रोवर्ट फ्रेंड है ना, वो स्पीक अप नहीं करेगा. यू हैव टू गिव क्रेडिट मैन, वेयर इज ड्यू.
हाँ, दोनों का जरूरत में वो मेरा वो पॉइंट ही नहीं है कि कौन अच्छा है कौन बुरा है, पर सोशली normalize, we have to treat both of them as, you know, kind of equal.
मतलब आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल.
हाँ.
मैं कोई इंट्रोवर्ट, लेट्स से 10 लोग है मिल रहे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो इंट्रोवर्ट लोग मिल क्यों रहे वो भी मुझे पता नहीं है. Right? I would be like, if you're really that introverted, who was the guy that arranged the party? Probably an extrovert, you know, that did that, right? अभी मैं वहाँ पे चला गया. I would feel socially awkward. I'm not a complete introvert. I am sometimes
हाँ.
I'm not, right?
हाँ.
मतलब मैं क्या करूँ? I'll go to someone brand new, right? Let's say. तो मैं क्या बात क्या करूँ उससे? Hey, yeah, how's the
बट
weather?
अभी ना हम
ये
मिक्स
वो.
कर रहे हैं, हम इंट्रोवर्ट को एंटी सोशल से मिक्स कर रहे हैं.
Isn't it?
Introverts are not anti-social.
अच्छा.
Are they?
I don't know. I assume they are.
I'm not a psychologist, but hi,
They have antisocial tendencies. I shouldn't say antisocial. They are less like to be. They are less likely to be
or they are
socially
more
engaging.
selective. They are more selective.
Same thing. Selective,
Yeah.
less likely to be engaging. Whatever term you want to use, right? तो मतलब, so for example, if you are a complete introvert, let's say you move into a new neighborhood, you're the new people that just bought a house. Are you going to be the one knocking on all the doors?
No.
You're waiting for that extrovert friend to show up, you know, that neighbor that's extroverted to knock on your door and be like, hey, we just saw you guys
पर सी
move in.
दोनों साइड पे एक्सट्रीम है. लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट एक्सट्रीम्स.
तो बीच में
हम
क्या है?
मिडल में बात करते हैं कि आप इंट्रोवर्ट इज टू यू इज लाइक द वन हु इज एंटी सोशल, हु वुड नॉट टॉक टू एनीवन, he would go to a party and make it dead. ऐसा नहीं है.
Less likely to do all
Okay.
that. वैसा है.
और एक्सट्रोवर्ट ऐसे भी नहीं होते कि you mentioned right, like they would go around door to door call people.
हाँ.
एक्सट्रोवर्ट ऐसे भी नहीं होते कि वो हर बंदे को every guy they find on the street they'll start talking. So
लेकिन जो इंटेलेक्ट की बात है, let's get
हाँ.
all fun aside, right? So I agree. Some of the most deep, thoughtful people that I love interacting with, Vandan being one of them, are people that are more in that, you know, introverted sort of side of the house, let's say. Lekin, my point is, at what point do you think that your introvertism is going to be, let's say, you will get the maximum value out of it? It's going to take some extrovert person to highlight you to the rest of the world, right? Somebody has to be your marketing that power. Somebody has to be your, you know, like the guy that's going to promote you. Like
sometimes
you
your
need people.
performance is it speaks louder than any of your extrovert friends.
In work, yes, that's true.
Well, I mean, even in relationships. So extrovert लोग ना वो slow दवाई आयुर्वेदिक है. I mean, not extrovert. Introvert लोग जो आयुर्वेदिक की तरह होते हैं. It takes a while, but जो इनका इफेक्ट होता है वो सॉलिड होता है. और ये जो है एक्सट्रोवर्ट, it's like allopathic medicine. वो it kicks right in, gives you the buzz,
It's
and
the
you
booster
feel
shot.
great. तो हाँ. And yeah, I was talking about performance, right? And I had one person in my mind, MS Dhoni. He talks.
Is he an introvert? I have no idea.
Okay, yeah. See, that's the problem. I don't want to label him as an introvert.
But he's more inclined to be an
let's just
introvert,
say,
is
yeah,
what
let's
you're
just say he talks less. He's less expressive than most of the captains we had. Or
Awesome.
yeah, I don't know how else to explain it, but he doesn't like to talk too much,
Okay.
if you ask me.
हाँ.
So imagine him breaking through the politics of Indian team,
Okay.
being such a person who is focused more on his life rather than who is doing what people are doing around him, or talking to them. He talks less, but he kept believing in himself, kept performing. वो Indian team में आ गया, and not only he came into the Indian team, he became the captain. Being an introvert, how did he make it that far without?
Yeah, you can. I mean, look, actually, this is something that in corporate life, right? They teach you this. Like, there's many assessments. There's MBTI. There's DISC assessment. You guys can look these up. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि there are certain attributes that both sides have, and their approaches to solving problems, which is basically what corporate life is about, right? You're solving societal problems, whether you're delivering a service, a good, or someone. तो उसमें ये जो चीज़ है, राइट, सो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल इंट्रोवर्ट भी होते हैं, लेकिन इंट्रोवर्टिज्म के अंदर भी आप रिलेशन के थ्रू इफेक्टिव हो रहे हो, या आप प्रोसेस के थ्रू इफेक्टिव हो रहे हो, या फिर आप मतलब टीम वर्क के इसके हिसाब से हो रहे हो, और उसके तरीके अलग होते हैं. और आई थिंक वही चीज़ है, राइट, वो जो हेल्दी बैलेंस है ना, लाइक आई ऑलवेज से वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल partners you can choose is someone that's kind of the opposite of you, right? और इसमें भी यही true है,
That's
right?
true.
I think you need a good balance. तो लेकिन I still disagree with the fact कि the world automatically assumes that just because you're introverted कि आप socially awkward हो. Like you opened with that statement and I'm not sure it's entirely true. मतलब हाँ, एक वो stereotype है वो extreme में, right? And I think the opposite is also true, that you have people that annoy you. As soon as you go talk to them, they just can't stop talking, right? Like that's the
Okay.
extreme on the extroverted side. वो
Okay,
भी उसका भी stigma है.
Let's take those extremes. Somebody who cannot stop talking, or who they don't know when to stop. They don't allow others to talk. Versus someone who is just minding his own business, not being loud, not speaking until spoken to. Which one would you pick?
Probably some combination of the two.
Exactly.
वो दोनों को बात करवा देता हूँ एक दूसरे के साथ, and I can enjoy the scene.
That's the challenge. That's the tough.
I'd probably
tough
pick the
ask.
introvert. Because I get to turn them on and off based on when I want to hear them. I can
Exactly.
engage them as I want.
Because the one thing I have noticed, if I'm sitting somewhere and the person around me, they don't care what I have to say, and I'm someone who would not interject, or maybe maybe not as loud in the room, why am I even there? So it's like everybody wants to be heard.
हाँ.
So वो introvert person को, like in the environment of extroverts, it's hard for them.
It is, for sure.
So why would I even be there?
But I think humans are social creatures. I think at the end
हाँ,
of the
but तो
day,
अगले को भी तो बोलने दो.
वो बराबर
अब
है.
एक बात सोचो, 7-8 लोग जो सारे extrovert है, they need all the attention and they cannot stop talking.
हाँ.
How chaotic it's gonna be.
Like, I'll use a current day example, okay?
हाँ.
Forget this introvertism. Like, so what is the basic premise? An introvert person would rather be with themselves, be with their thoughts, like to channelize their energy, channelize their time into something and have a lot of focus, right? So we see that, like, a lot of, you could say, scientists and professors and people that are into research and areas like that.
They are like that, yeah.
Technology, right? Because the only way for you to be successful in those fields requires you to really channel your energy, right? आप constantly किसी दूसरे के साथ बात करने के लिए try कर रहे हो, तो yes, you could still be effective. It's not to say extroverts are not successful.
Oh yeah,
PhD
you
scientists.
you can
You can be,
generalize
right?
that,
But I'm
yeah.
saying the default tendency would be for people that are that have introverted mindsets. Okay, so let's take all these kids today that are completely focused on their phones. Okay, so I would argue that all of society today is going after these kids and saying, we got to get them out of the phone. We got to get them to talk to people. These kids can't have a 2-minute conversation with someone.
Yeah.
Hey, if,
We are making
if introvertism
introverts.
was so great, if introvertism was so okay, what's wrong with it?
We need both of them.
No, that's fine. But if introvertism was so good and it could be a standalone and it could function, society would be good with just having, let's say, flip it. Introverts run the world.
Okay.
Why is that a problem? I would tell you, you would have less social interaction. ये जो
More-
बोल रहे हैं ना,
more
वो एक वो
depression.
loneliness का जो plague चल रहा है US और सब जगह
Depression,
Western, हाँ,
mental health would
depression,
be an
mental
issue.
health.
Yeah.
So introverts are curing all of that for free. as annoying as that the introvert is, sorry, that extrovert is,
Extrovert, yeah.
that extrovert is curing all of these issues, depression, loneliness. They're connecting people. They are the heart of the party. They are the ones that are hosting, you know. And your part that is like, you know what? I just rather be here. वो तेरे को 2 बार फोन करके बोलेगा तू आ रहा है मेरी पार्टी में. वो इंट्रोवर्ट को कोई बोलेगा.
इंट्रोवर्ट एक ही बार
हाँ.
भेज टेक्स्ट मैसेज.
पहले तो उसका invitation ही आना चाहिए.
फोन भी नहीं करेगा, वो टेक्स्ट मैसेज ही करेगा.
हाँ, exactly.
या
तो मेरे हिसाब से अगर बच्चों को हम problematic बोल रहे हैं, right? We are seeing all these things. I'm like, hey, there's nothing wrong with the world being biased towards extroverted ways of living.
एक ग्रेट एनालॉजी मेरे दिमाग में अभी ताज़ा आई है कि यू सेड राइट लाइक कि सारे इंट्रोवर्ट्स बन जाए तो क्या होगा, सारे एक्सट्रोवर्ट्स. या वी नीड अ बैलेंस. आई एग्री. आई मीन यू कैन नॉट हैव ऑल इंट्रोवर्ट्स और एक्सट्रोवर्ट्स. वी नीड बोथ एंड देयर इज नो परफेक्ट वर्ल्ड. सो व्हाट आर वी इवन टॉकिंग अबाउट, राइट?
Exactly.
So great analogy, right? Like in cricket nowadays it's very fancy to hit sixes, fours, boundaries. So example, in the olden days Rahul Dravid versus Virender Sehwag, both are important. Cricket lovers know that.
Yeah.
But on a given day, after a few drinks, you would be like, damn, Sehwag was so much more fun than Rahul Dravid.
ज़्यादा entertaining है ना?
Yeah, exactly. So my point is, दोनों important है. Not
बराबर
say
है.
Rahul Dravid was boring because he does all the defense,
हाँ,
because
नहीं,
you need
बराबर
the
है.
mix of both.
वो तो भी
तो
agree.
मेरा point यही है कि yeah, glamorize Sehwag all you want, but Dravid is not bad. He's the OG if you ask me.
No, I think they're both
भाई उसको
right in their own way.
Now we say that, but at the time I have seen people turning their TVs off, go do something else when Rahul Dravid came to the crease.
हाँ बराबर.
Because वो boring लगता था. But somebody has to do that boring part.
नहीं बराबर है. I mean,
Yeah.
the world would not be a better place if introverts didn't exist. In fact, I would say, I think that you could argue again. This is a hot
It's a very
take, right?
see here we are. It's a very sensitive topic and it's very vast.
Yeah.
हम लोग को see to talk about this you have to have certain level of generalizations, which is bad. But then we can't
No,
talk
it's not
about
bad.
this.
Generalization for me is the
Yeah.
motherhood of
All
wisdom.
discussions. Yeah.
Wisdom
So,
requires you to
अगर
generalize.
हम
There is no
कुछ-
way you can get away with it.
अगर there is no premise or generalization, we cannot talk. So
Yeah.
हाँ, sometimes we would say, अच्छा introverts ऐसे होते हैं, extroverts ऐसे होते हैं. We talk about it like. तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि like हम सबको
Absolutes
एक
नहीं
ही
है ये.
brush से paint कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
But then if we don't do that, what are we discussing?
broad strokes.
हाँ,
These
वो वही कर
observations
रहे
that
हैं.
we
Right,
have, right?
right.
But either way, so
Yeah.
getting back to the point, ये Sehwag और Dravid का है, right? I think it's the same thing. कि the default mindset would be for people to find other people more exciting. और ऐसा नहीं है. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो द्रविड को वर्शिप करते थे और बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो ये जो aggressive style of playing है उसको वर्शिप करते हैं, right? Similar type concept. But so my point is, okay, we've established that. दूसरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है? चलो, I'm here to defend the extrovert today, even though I'm not completely one.
Here to defend extroverts.
Yeah. What is your other
दूसरा
gripe with
problem,
extroverts?
हाँ, कि they want to suck all the oxygen in any room.
तो वो तो उनका बेस टेंडेंसी है ना. मतलब you think
So I don't like
you
it.
think the extrovert is being an extrovert because there is this innate
They have
narcissism
yeah.
or attention
Yeah,
seeking.
they have that
focus.
need to be the center of attraction all the time. They cannot just see anybody else having the limelight. I said what I
think
said.
ऐसा है. I mean, I don't think extroverts are that. What if they are doing it just to keep all of you introverts feeling comfortable and improving your life? You know, maybe they're doing it for you. How do you
Well,
know that?
Yeah, let us speak sometimes.
अरे बोलने ही देते. In fact, we look forward to. Not that I'm a complete extrovert, but like
Yeah,
sometimes I'm
okay.
like, you know what, Vandan, I need you to speak up.
No, it's not personal, but I've noticed this. And it's another story how I came to this, because I was extremely extrovert in my younger days. I would not let anyone talk.
अच्छा इतना बड़ा वो flip
Well,
हो गया.
I mean, not that, but yeah, I couldn't stop talking. I mean, I did, or rather, I would say I did not know when to stop.
वो तो सबका प्रॉब्लम होता है. I mean,
Yeah.
that
Now,
is, right?
I mean, I don't know. I try, but I don't know what others think, but I see a lot of change in my personality in that manner that, yeah, I love to listen more.
But I'll tell you one thing that I think is very much lost, because I'm with Vandan on this one as far as the introvert camp is concerned,
Yeah.
right? So I think one of the things about that we've lost as a society about introverts is that inherently the introvert has been solving many of the world's problems. The introvert is a person that is naturally gifted, in my opinion, to be a caregiver for the elderly. as an example. The introvert is someone that is naturally gifted, or at least has the inclination to be a very good teacher, a very good coach, someone that can invest their energy and time into human beings with tremendous amount of patience, with the right amount of calibration on when to intervene versus let things be. Like, how many times, like I remember me as a parent, I am someone that leans slightly on the extrovert side, right? I look at my wife, who I think is a great balance in general, right? She likes people, but she also knows when to be paused. Like if I'm working with my son, for example, और वो कुछ कर रहा है ना, अरे यार, I will talk way more. And in hindsight, I realize, you know what? I've seen how someone that is introverted that's working with my son, like a coach or a teacher or someone else, or even my wife, they don't have to feel like if they are not talking all the time or like hammering a point that the kid is not learning. I feel like if I'm not doing that, he's not learning.
Yeah.
तो उस हिसाब से I'm less effective. So I do think we owe that to introverts in this world. And I think it's something that's lost, especially in this social media age, right? I mean, in the age of social media, the extrovert is the most vocal. They are the ones that are like, look at this latest video, guys. Look at what I got at YouTube. You know, like you are on YouTube और ये सब fake जो होता है ना आजकल का fake enthusiasm, right? मतलब वो introvert क्या कर सकता है?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I just read this book and here are my
I
10
recommend
deep.
it.
I mean, आपको एक just think about it. Look at the medium that we are following right now. हम
Well,
लोग एक
oh,
मिनट की
yeah.
reel डाल रहे हैं. You think a 1 minute reel is enough for an introvert
No.
to make their mark? It's
No.
not.
So yeah, that's what I'm saying. Mainstream media or capitalist society, they sell extrovertism.
Yeah.
That's their bread and butter. If everybody is an introvert, most of these brands, they would go out of business.
When was the last time you saw an advertisement that was, let's say, presented from an introvert's perspective?
Never.
Buy this car, and here are the 10 facts about this car.
Oh, and
that
they
you
would
like.
always be very, like, oh, look at what people, and most of the ads, if you think about it, they are more about how people react to a certain product.
Exactly.
And if, mark my words, if everybody is an introvert or more people are introvert, capitalism, does not survive.
Well, but again,
Does
I don't
not-
think it's
I'm not
capitalism.
saying does not,
I
but-
think it's
If you want to sell it,
introvertism does not sell.
It's hard to sell something to an introvert than an extrovert.
because they'll be very thoughtful
Yes,
about it. They're not
yes.
buying it on emotion. They're not buying it on impulse.
We are getting
right? They're not
somewhere.
buying it based on how it makes them feel.
Huh.
Right? Maybe they are to a certain extent, but
not-
they're using
yeah.
their heads and their thoughts, and they're putting two and two together. Right? It's a well thought out.
I'm pretty sure there are extroverts or people like that कि 3-4 लोग कोई बोलेगा ना चीज, वाह भाई क्या यार, ये तो क्या कार है यार, मैंने तो ऐसा कार ही नहीं देखा भाई, वो ले लेगा. I'm telling you, वो एक हफ्ते में उसके ड्राइववे में होगी वो कार. So anyways, there's nothing wrong with it. If he can afford it, she can afford it, I mean, go for it. Who am I to say anything?
Yeah.
But usually we always talk about cultural aspects, right? So I tried to have a look at this debate with the cultural lens as well.
Okay.
So अपने यहाँ एक नॉर्थ और साउथ का डिबेट हमेशा चलता रहता है, right? And people of south tend to think they are not as loud, और जो नॉर्थ के लोग होते they are very loud, especially let's say पंजाब, हरियाणा, and to an extent, again, could be a generalization, that is true, कि certain sections, certain region, they are very loud, extroverts, southern people, very quiet, low key, they don't like to show off a lot. तो इसमें कल्चर का कोई एंगल है कि like we become what we see around us?
वो तो होता ही है ना. I mean, आप कोई भी community में जाओ, that's like that.
And it's not just the region. अब हम जैसे गुजरात की बात करें, right? I have noticed a pattern, like वो regions में भी होता है. It's not just a state.
Yeah. I mean, I think
You
it's also
could easily figure it out.
religion का भी slice होता है, right? Yeah, I mean, I think that's true. वो तो लेकिन कोई भी group का एक history होता है कि, like, for example, like you take people from the state of Gujarat, right? I mean, there's so much diversity even within that. तो वो तो रहेगा, कोई भी चीज में रहेगा, right? Or even South में we make generalizations, but there are plenty of communities in the South that are very extroverted. ऐसा नहीं है. I mean, यहाँ पे हम लोग Atlanta में देखते हैं. There are plenty of communities. Not everybody is, that stereotype of, oh, I'm a very well thought out, I only speak when I know
I'm
what
not
I'm
saying
saying.
that's true.
Right?
I'm saying that's what they think.
अरे
Yeah.
जनरलाइजेशन बराबर है, लेकिन again उसमें भी obviously there is different communities.
Because जैसे
right?
like there was an election in Tamil Nadu, right? And I've seen on social media lots of debates about, more educated people, more smart people, and then if you look at the result of the elections, people were discussing like, you say yeah, people in North are more illogical, they can think for themselves, but look at this results and compare. So I found that very interesting. Like, anyways, not relevant.
मतलब वो
but-
एग्जांपल में बराबर है, बट आई थिंक बियॉन्ड दैट तो ये सब जगह पे चलते रहता है, राइट? लाइक आई मीन आपको यूएस में भी देख लो तो पीपल वुड आर्ग्यू दैट folks from big cities tend to be much louder. I think that's also another dissection that you have to do. If
What
you're from
kind
a
of-
big city,
yeah.
you tend to be much louder, you tend to be much more vocal, because let's be honest, it is tough to be an introvert living in a big city. You get chewed up and thrown out, as opposed to living in a small town where things are much easier to do, people are much nicer, much more patient, right? आप बिग सिटी में हो और आप इंट्रोवर्ट हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से आप मुंबई में हो, आप लोकल ट्रेन में जा रहे हो and that you need a ticket and you see someone cut in line.
Then you don't say anything.
Introvert कुछ नहीं बोलेगा.
You'd be there for
Yeah,
whole
introvert
day.
will be like the system will work itself out, or you know somebody else will solve my problem for me, or maybe the law, police will enforce it, or whatever other mechanism you might think of, or you might nudge someone and be nice to them and say, hey, why did you cut in line? As opposed to that extrovert that's like,
Yeah, क्या
चल
कर
भाई
रहे?
निकल लाइन
चले.
से, you know, मैं लाइन में खड़ा हूँ.
So
I
like-
mean, you might. So I'm saying sometimes big cities tend to make you. It
Make
forces you to break out of your shell and be a little rude, be a little loud,
So-
and move towards the like adopt some of the extroverted behaviors.
लार्जर पॉइंट बाय एंड लार्ज मैं ये रीड कर रहा हूँ कि भाई इंट्रोवर्ट लोग क्रांति नहीं ला सकते.
ला सकते हैं, मे भी अपने आप के अंदर ला सकते हैं. You know?
दे कैन नॉट इंसाइट वायलेंस.
वो बुद्धिस्ट मंक, वो मंक जैसा लाइफ
कि
हो
वो ऐसे
जाएगा.
परेड लेके या
हाँ.
कोई रैली नहीं निकाल सकते वो लोग.
मतलब वो अपने वो
Yeah.
इंट्रोस्पेक्शन से अपने लाइफ के अंदर बहुत ही ऑर्गेनाइज रीच से ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ला सकते हैं, लेकिन
हाँ.
सोसाइटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो सकता है प्रोबेबली लेस.
बट
Right?
एक ऑब्जर्वेशन ये भी है कि पॉलिटिक्स इज वन फील्ड विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग यू वुड से दैट इधर इंट्रोवर्ट का जगह ही नहीं है.
नहीं,
You
I
would- I
actually
mean-
think it's the opposite.
Well, I mean,
Some of the
that's
most
what it looks, because you have to be a good public speaker.
public speaking introvertism का है ही नहीं.
Okay,
some of the,
then,
this is
alright.
something I used to think the same way, but I have met way too many people in my corporate journey where these are people that are running companies and they are proper introverts. Okay, the
पर
thing is,
इंट्रोवर्ट इलेक्शन जीता के नहीं दे सकता.
depends.
नहीं, ये एक अलग टॉपिक है.
क्योंकि
बट
आज के जमाने में the candidate does not win in elections.
पर मैं-
It's the candidate's team that wins you the
मैं
election.
अपना पॉइंट पूरा कर लूँ कि हाँ, इंट्रोवर्ट इलेक्शन नहीं जीताएगा, बट अगर आपको किसी मिनिस्ट्री में परफॉर्मेंस चाहिए, रोड्स बनाने हैं, कि तुम्हारी योजनाएं एंड तक पब्लिक पीडीएस सिस्टम से एंड आदमी तक पहुँचे, जो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है, आप आज की कैबिनेट की, आज की इंडिया की देख लो, टॉप 5 परफॉर्मिंग या 4 परफॉर्मिंग मिनिस्ट्रीज, आपको पैटर्न दिखेगा कि वो लोग मोस्टली अश्विनी वैष्णव रेलवे मिनिस्टर, जयशंकर, आई डोंट रिमेंबर ऑल द नेम्स, बट हाँ, जो हाई परफॉर्मिंग लोग हैं दे आर नॉट पॉलिटिकली सावी, लाइक उनकी रैली में 100 लोग भी नहीं आएगा, बट दे आर स्टिल कैबिनेट. तो बोलने का मतलब है इलेक्शन जीतने के लिए आपको इंट्रोवर्ट नहीं चाहिए, बट परफॉर्मेंस डेवलपमेंट, अगर योजनाएं सही से इम्प्लीमेंट करनी हो, उसके लिए आपको इंट्रोवर्ट ही चाहिए नहीं, बट दे आर मोर इफेक्टिव.
More
Let's
likely,
just say.
probably, yeah. That makes sense. I agree. But I think तो मेरे corporate की बात कर रहा था, right?
हाँ, sorry, go ahead.
I mean, the amount of times I find people that you would think are not introverts, and what you realize is ये लोग अपनी personal life में एक तरीके से है, लेकिन because they are introverts, they are much more capable and naturally inclined to acquire new skills because they are able to channel their energy into things, right? So they are able to acquire public speaking skills as opposed to some extrovert, let's say, who maybe naturally is gifted to public speaking skills, let's suppose, right? लेकिन उनको अपनी जो skill है ना उसको refine करनी है. मतलब आपकी speech pattern जो है is not very effective when you are talking to different diverse audiences. Let's say you are someone that is from India, for example, और आप नॉर्दर्न इंडिया से हो, राइट? तो आपने अपनी एक इंग्लिश एक तरीके से की हुई है, आपका एक सर्टन टाइप का एक्सेंट है जो नॉर्थ इंडिया में इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग का जो होता है, राइट? लेट्स से यू आर फ्रॉम दिल्ली और समथिंग. A person that, at least this is my personal opinion that I have seen, a person that is by nature an introvert is much more likely and naturally capable. I would say they have a natural tendency to be able to learn, adapt, focus their energy and acquire a new way of adapting themselves. So वो जो discipline होता है ना, वो आप में innately थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. Not that it's not possible for an extrovert. लेकिन कोई extrovert है ना, because they have not been nudged to curb or alter their natural tendencies in that specific thing, क्योंकि उनको पहले से ही आ गया था, right? They were never told. उनको इनफैक्ट सामने से बोला था, अरे आप तो पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में बहुत अच्छी, फ्रॉम द टाइम यू आर यंग पीपल आर प्रमोटिंग यू, अरे ये तो स्टेज पे आके मेरा बच्चा तो पहले से बोल रहा है, सो दे थिंक दे आर गुड. तो उन्होंने पहले से प्रैक्टिस डाली ही नहीं है. जबकि कोई इंट्रोवर्ट होता है ना, उसको पहले से फैमिली वाले बोल रहे हैं, यू नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू स्पीक अप फॉर योर सेल्फ, स्टैंड अप फॉर योर सेल्फ. तो क्या कि उनका वो मसल, वो एक्सेप्टेंस है सबसे पहले तो, कि मुझे चेंज होना है, दैट विच इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू अक्वायरिंग अ न्यू स्किल और लर्निंग समथिंग, राइट. सेकंड, वो प्रैक्टिस करते करते आ रहे, तो वो प्रैक्टिस का भी एक उनका फॉर्मूला बन चुका है. तो उस हिसाब से आई फाइंड दैट दोज पीपल टेंड टू बी मच बेटर, एंड इट्स काउंटर इंटुइटिव. यू माइट थिंक that some of these folks are not good. Like, let's take for example, US mein we take the example of Barack Obama. Barack Obama is not a very extroverted person. He is someone that by default you would think is an introvert. Like, if you just see him, he's not going to be the loudest. He was never someone that was like in the face, और वो भी क्या है कि even culturally, if you think about black American culture for example, it is not normal for someone like Barack Obama to be the person that is going to naturally rise to the top, because there's a lot of history with amazing speakers like Martin Luther King, public speakers, दूसरे बहुत सारे हैं obviously, right? You go to black churches and stuff, they always have people that are very powerful, loud, impactful, and they're very spot on, right? Or here you have Barack Obama, who is a amazing speaker, right? You can tell that this is a person that has worked on his craft, and he's acquired the skill, and he's probably going against what his natural tendency is, because when you meet him in person, he's soft spoken, he's thoughtful, right? You may not agree with what he's saying, that's not the point. The point is that introverts, I truly believe, have a natural tendency to be able to acquire new skills, because they are wired that way from the beginning. कि और वो चैनल एनर्जी फोकस सबकी प्रायोरिटी है, राइट? मतलब आपकी प्रायोरिटी अपनी जितनी एनर्जी है सब वोकलाइज कर देनी है आपको, तो आप अपने क्राफ्ट पे कैसे फर्क करोगे? यू आर मोर फोकस्ड ऑन द रिलेशनशिप एस्पेक्ट विद पीपल एज एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट, वेयर एज एन इंट्रोवर्ट इज मोर फोकस्ड ऑन देयर इंटरनल रिलेशनशिप विथ योर माइंड, विथ योर थॉट्स, विथ योर फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस, राइट? सो नेचुरली यू हैव अ मच स्ट्रॉन्गर ग्रिप ऑन कंट्रोलिंग दोज एलिमेंट्स.
हाँ, तो आपने इंट्रोवर्ट बोला, राइट? द नेक्स्ट वर्ड दैट केम टू माय माइंड वाज इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. Introverts are like more introspective than extroverts.
Generally speaking,
कि कुछ गलत लाइफ में हो रहा है तो first they tend to look inside कि what I can do, how I can be better, or I mean they don't look around. They do, but first they look at themselves. Or extroverts का I think the first reaction is to look around, what we can do better. But introspection comes very naturally to introverts, and that's why maybe they have that strong character. And in cricket also, I feel that, like, Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid, VVS Lakshman, they are very quiet. I mean,
Sachin is the greatest
Sachin
example.
Tendulkar, right? वो उनको 150, 60, 150, 160 की डिलीवरीज आ रही है, बाउंस हो रहे हैं, इधर फुल टॉस लग रहे हैं. They are still very calm, quiet. अगला आके अब्यूज करके जा रहा है. He is not worried. An extrovert, विराट कोहली can never do that.
उसको
रिएक्ट करना ही है. But Sachin is an introvert, and he is more focused on what I can do in this moment. I don't have to use my mouth to prove my point. I'm just going to use my bat. So that's why I feel like naturally they are more focused on what they are doing, because they are not worried about what's going on around them. They are more worried about what's going on inside them, their performance, what they can do to help their team. वो बाहर फॉल्ट्स ढूंढना उनका नेचर थोड़ा कम होता है. वो तो एक ह्यूमन नेचर है यार कि बाहर हम फॉल्ट ढूंढेंगे, but introverts naturally they would look inside first और अपने fault ज़्यादा ढूंढेंगे. And that's why maybe with time they have more chance of getting better at what they do.
Yeah, सही है. I think it's a great discussion, one that I think can go on for days.
Yeah.
Again, we thank you for joining in. Until next time, we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.
See ya.